So this is a 2001 Ford F450, 7.3 liter. Oh, I just purchased these new tires, but this is a 7.3 liter. Hasn't been started in about 2 years. It's about my 5th truck, and I'm gonna do a conversion on the front. Put the 12 through 16 front on this one. But I'm gonna tell you everything you need to do to get your truck started if it hasn't been started in about a year or two. First things first, drop your gas tank, clean your gas tank out. At the top of the gas tank, there's a sending unit. In the bottom of that sending unit, they have 2 tubes. They're called socks. Well, I call them socks. Take those socks out, clean them with some brake cleaner or whatever, put that back. Change your fuel filter. After you change your fuel filter, you're gonna change your fuel pump. You're gonna blow air through your lines, your fuel lines, to clean out anything that is in there. Okay, after you do that, it's a must that you change all your injectors, because diesel, it gets gummy when it sits. So everywhere that the diesel flow, it's probably have some gummy substance in there. But after you change all that, I guarantee you it'll start right up. If you need help on how to do those things, I will be posting a video on how to do everything. So just comment if you have a question, like if you think this is gonna be interesting, and subscribe to see the next video.